这个东西看起来太香了。
这味道好美，征服我。
Hello guys, this is Mike Medix here. Today I just received a free message like you had to pick the parcel from the company because from 3 consecutive days I was really so busy with my studies, with my videos, and I had to complete a lot of notes I had to revise because after completing the videos you have to revise and then solve equations. I couldn't find any time, and also I have to buy stuff, so I wasn't like busy in that. So today I need to go and pick my parcels because if I today if I will not go there, it will be a problem. Then they will return the goods to the shop, and then again I have to buy from online store. So right now I have to go and pick my parcel from the store, and then also need 3 more just arrived right now and I need to pick them up. And today at lunch I was planning to cook, but really I feel very lethargic. I don't feel nice, so I think let's maybe at 3 o'clock I may or may not cook the lunch, but still I will right now go outside, buy some fruits, and also I will eat some, like there is Chinese tianping, or yeah, maybe I will buy some street food for some instant of time, so that till I will finish my 2 lectures more, and if I find time then I will cook. Let's go guys. So right now I'm going to pick 2 more. Guys, it's so amazing. Like, I like this so much. 啊，这个多少钱呢？
这个是8块钱。
好啊，好啊。
一会儿来取啊。好。
See, like now I had to pay her 8 yuan. From here, I'm gonna pay her. Okay. Can't see this. It's so long, and I can use this for 2 purposes, like as a tripod and as a stand like this to make my vlogs better. So this one is the nice one. All right, and let's see what's inside another parcel. So this stick is really so comfortable. It's very nice. Like I can use this for making, like if for example yeah, like I can make the vlogs from multi-direction, and this one seems to be the nice one. Now I will bend it like this, and here I go, and this one is easy for me to handle it. Tilt over here, and then I can easily, take my vlogs from here, and this one is very easy to carry to any place. And then also there's one more thing about this which I like the most is I can bend it like this, and this here is like this. I can bend it like this, and now see what's inside this is, I think inside this will be, it's inside this is lithium bulb. Okay, let's see the function of this. Okay, wow, amazing. I like this much. This one is also nice. Okay, then it's like that. Can change another it's like this, and this one inside my another parcel, the question papers for English test for my friend. Like my friend, he needs this material because he has to pass examination, so he told me to buy and help him in, like, he told me to buy a best material for his examination, and I will help him. Now I'm planning to buy this one because I can rotate this any direction, and it guys, well, I think I don't need to order some. Okay guys, let's taste this spring. Okay, bismillah. 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 Hello guys, this was all for today. I hope you like watching my video, and I hope you will like and subscribe my channel. And now regarding the one more vlog, because a lot of guys, they request me please make a vlog regarding the scholarship. So the vlog regarding that scholarship and how to apply in Chinese universities will be coming soon. So please